My dear friends, why husband should know cooking? Because sometimes the wife might fall sick. Then what? You'll go and bring the food from the hotel, and all people will fall sick. One day, okay. For week, 15 days, your stomach will get disturbed, and again you will go to the doctor. So it is very simple. Just on left side. Left side is on burner. Okay. If you want to cook rice, take a cooker, and this is a cut, one cut and 1.5 cut. Okay, water, whatever rice is there, there's one ball rice. Above that it should be a 1.5 cut, and give the whistles 4 to 5. Rice is cooked. Again remove the rice, prepare the dal. Take one onion. Okay, one onion, one or two green chilies, and fry it in the oil. Put the dal, put little garam masala, 1 spoon garam masala, or 2 spoons red chili powder. Okay, any other powder you have, and coriander, ginger garlic you put. Okay, and give whistle of 3 or 4, and dal is cooked. Okay, again if you want to make a chicken, same procedure. For 1 kg, I am telling about 1 kg, 2 onions, 3 green chilies. Okay, just fry in the cooker. Okay, ginger garlic same. Okay, then put 2 spoons garam masala, 2 spoons coriander powder, 2 spoons again red chili powder. Okay, put and mix it everything, and put the chicken, fry it in the cooker, and give whistle 4 to 6 whistles. You can give 4 to 5, 6 whistles. Chicken is cooked, and I'll teach you how to prepare the puri. Puri is how much mix maida and wheat flour in that. Put little salt, oil, put oil or ghee in that, and put a curd and smash it, and make round one, and take one that ball, small one ball. Make the puris. I'll teach you. Put little jira also in that. Okay. Very cooking. If wife falls sick, then who will do cooking? You'll go in the hotel and bring the food? No. Everything is a cooker. And if you want to prepare very tasty, very tasty, then you have to put prepare in the vessel. That is different thing. Tasty. But fast, you can do fast. At least you will get good food. Okay, good food means fresh food. Okay. If you like this video, share this video.